In question number 14 of exercise 7.11, we'll apply this property P6. Now what we need to do, if I'll talk about f of x is cos of 5x. Now I need to calculate 2a minus x is 2a this. 2 pi minus x. So what you are getting? Cos of 5, 2 pi minus x. So after solving, you will be getting this only. So that means f of 2 pi minus x is equivalent to f of x. So your I will become twice of 0 to pi cos 5x dx. Again apply P6. If I am taking f of x as cos of 5x and f of pi minus x. Now this cos of 5 pi minus x will give you minus of cos 5x. That means if I am getting this is equivalent to this. So f of pi minus x is equivalent to minus of fx. So therefore by P6 integral value will become 0. Now come to the major important question. This question is important. Here we will apply example number 36 also. So this type of question can come in the exam. I is given 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Now by P4 now everybody is aware. I is 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos of pi minus x dx. So I am getting 0 to pi log of cos 180 minus theta 1 minus cos x dx. So I am getting this. So mark it as 1 and this is mark it as 2. So add 1 and 2. So you will be getting 2i 0 to pi log of 1 2i 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x. So what you are getting? Log m plus log n. So log m plus log n will give you log mn. So this into this 1 plus cos x 1 minus cos x. So you will be getting into dx. So a plus b, a minus b will give you 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos square x dx. So this is 2i 0 to pi log of sine square x dx. Okay, this power can be taken here. So if I am taking this power here, then 2i this will become 2 0 to pi log of sine x dx. So 2 will become cancel out. I will be getting 0 to pi log of sine x dx. Okay, by P6 what I want to say, by applying P6 f of x is log of sine x. So f of pi minus x is log of sine pi minus x. So you will be getting log of sine x which is equivalent to f of x. So integral will become twice of 0 to half of pi will become pi by 2 log of sine x dx. So what you will be getting after getting this is again your example number 36. After that you may proceed the example number 36. Now what I need to do, see, after getting this apply P4 again. By P4 I am getting I as 0 to pi by 2 log of sine 90 minus x dx. So I am getting 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Now mark it as 3 and mark it as 4. So 3 plus 4 will give you 2i, and this is your twice. So sorry, I plus I. This is twice of 0 to pi by 2. Yes, we are getting this extra 2 also. So I plus I will become 2. So this is 2 and I am getting 0 to pi by 2, and this will become log sin x plus log of cos x dx. So basically 2i, which is 2, 0 to pi by 2. Now this can be written as okay, in this equation what I am doing, after writing this log sin x, log m plus log n is this, I am saying I want to apply the formula of sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So log 2, I require 2 more, 2 sin x cos x. So that means I need to add and subtract. So this will help you to make the formula of sin 2 theta. So 2i to 0 to pi by 2. So I am getting this plus this. So this will become 2 sin x cos x. I want to make this minus log 2 dx. So this 2 will become cancel out. So I will be getting I 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x minus 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 dx. Okay. Now if I want to do the integration for this integration, what can I do? Take log of sin t. Let's suppose if I want to apply sin of 2x, so now log of sin 2x is given. Now what we can do for this integral, if I'll take 2x as t, so 2 dx is equivalent to dt. So if x is 0, t will become 0. If x is pi by 2, t will become pi. So what you need to do? By doing this, what I am getting? So log of, if I want to write dx, dx is 1 by 2, 0 to pi log sin t dt, and this will become, if I'll take integration will be log 2 into x pi by 2 0. So I am getting I as 1 by 2. Now what I want to say, here we can apply the property number 6. So if I want to apply property number P6, by P6 what I want to say, log f of x, f of t is what? Log of sin t. F of pi minus t, log of sin pi minus t. So I am getting log of sin t. This is f of t. So if I am getting this, so basically what I am getting, so my question will become, here I am attempting here, otherwise because few steps are left. So I is equivalent to 1 by 2. Now if f of minus pi minus t is equivalent to f of t, then this will become what? Twice of 0 to a. 0 to a means 0 to pi by 2 log of sin t dt, and this is minus pi by 2 log t, log 2 after integration. So this 2 will become cancel out. Now remember we have done property number P0. In the P0, what they are saying, we can change the variable. So that's okay if I'm changing the variable, because till now we have done with the variable x only. So can we write this term as log of sin x dx minus pi by 2 log 2. So we can write by changing the variable t to x. So I will be getting I, which is equivalent to, now see, this is your 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. That is, I want to say that, now see, come to the question number, come to the equation number 3. What is your equation number 3? Log sin x dx. I by 2 is equivalent to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x. So this I by 2 is same as this log sin x. So by 3 I can write this as I by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. So we can write by equation 3. So I minus I by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. So I minus I by 2 minus pi by 2 log 2. This 2 and 2 will become cancel out. And if I'll talk about the final answer is this. So this is very important question of this exercise.